You're watching News Leader 9 with Cheryl Renee and meteorologist Greg Majewski.
It doesn't get any better than this. I mean, just crystal blue skies out there. This is our live shot from Columbus Crossing, and look at that, 67 degrees. Very nice all across the area, and enjoy the next few days because we're going to see some changes, folks. It's going to be arriving. Let's go and see what's trending with that forecast. Remember, as always, you can follow us on Facebook and on Twitter. Mild weather through Wednesday. Then we'll be tracking a cold front. Could bring in a limited chance of rain, maybe just a little bit coming in toward Wednesday and Thursday. And then we're going to see the feeling like January temperatures. Yeah, that'll be moving in as we head toward Friday and for Saturday, and it may be sticking around for a while. $9 Radar Network looking all clear for this afternoon. Again, not a cloud to be seen all across the Chattahoochee Valley. Temperatures warming up nicely out there. 67 degrees at the airport, 69 in Eufaula, 69 up in LaGrange, and 63 degrees over at Auburn. Elsewhere across the southeast, everybody enjoying a delightful afternoon. 63 degrees up in Birmingham, 68 in Macon, 72 degrees down in Valdosta. So very nice weather all across Alabama and Georgia. As you can see, lots of clear skies. Some clouds right along the immediate coastline, kind of spoiling the day there thanks to an area of low pressure off the eastern seaboard, but not going to be tracking this way. It'll be eventually slowly pulling on off. Here is where all the cold airs are getting snows from areas of South Dakota up through Minnesota and into Wisconsin. In fact, areas up toward Minneapolis could see upwards of 1 foot of snow, and eventually all this cold air is going to be diving straight down toward the south and paying a visit to the Columbus area. The reason for it, the jet stream is taking the configuration where it's going to start shifting that cold air further on toward the south. In fact, it's expected to remain kind of in this configuration straight into next week. So we're going to stay on the cool side, if not darn right cold, depending on where you're at. Now, what we're going to expect here for future casts, we go ahead and put this into motion for you again, high and dry for today. But then we're going to watch this cold front come on in. Notice this by Tuesday, you're getting some rains across Mississippi. Not a lot of moisture with this, folks. We may see a shower or two. That's going to be about it. And then this is going to sweep on through as we go through Thursday. And then eventually going to see that cold air kind of settling in across the area. Futurecast, watch this as I put this in motion. You get the cold trend just kind of spilling further and further south. And notice by the time we head towards Saturday morning, yeah, down to 33 degrees here. That means some of the suburbs could be flirting with the upper 20s. Looking at your zone forecast here, we end 73 for LaGrange, 70 for Lafayette. Shifting further south, you're seeing it 73 degrees here in Auburn, 72 in Buena Vista, and a very nice day for the south as well, 74 in Eufaula and 73 in Dawson. Next 7 days showing us staying mild at least through Wednesday, a great looking Veterans Day with temperatures in the 70s, but the rest of the 7 days reflecting the changes as we'll drop back into the 50s for highs for Friday and Saturday. Our overnight lows dropping into the 30s. Again, for Friday and Saturday, and might even be a little bit of bite to the air, a little bit of wind coming in on Friday, Saturday as well.
So 30s, wow.
Well, we've had the 30s, but the daytime highs are just not going to warm up all that much.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, Greg. Still to come.